I'm Max Davis Johnson. I'm working the Office of Information Technology here on campus. You know, when you make an app, obviously design, the user interface is critical.
The number one thing I think is clarity. This is Kinvy's mobile app development cycle. And you notice it says right here, 18 weeks. You guys got 48 hours.
We came in here last year, we sat down and we're like, all right guys, what are we gonna do? And then we started throwing ideas around, and then we drew it on the board, and then we drew some stuff on the board, and then we just started coding. And I think we're just gonna do the exact same thing.
Just right now, we're getting everything set up.
They've just had dinner, they have pizza, they're going back to their respective areas to work as a team.
Our goal is to separate the hardware functions from the control functions.
Think about what things as you get closer that you can take out. So get your critical features that you want in your app done first.
Better presentation. Probably focus on like the most like minimal viable like features.
And they're probably right now, a lot of them are trying to finalize
Design.
Yeah, the design. We're gonna focus
Games
on
usually
that.
win.
Everyone's
Socialists,
equal,
yeah.
and we pretend like we all do the same amount of work.
Good. Does that actually happen? Who does the most work?
It just depends on who's best.
Better time management. We attempted to put everything together late, and it was kind of, we were crunched on time.
Okay.
Like the two different pieces, the front end and the back end.
How's everyone doing? It's almost midnight, first night. Everyone got a good plan in place?
Now it should work.
How you guys doing? Good. That looks like a music application.
So our project is basically a local meetup app. So if someone wants to find someone with the interest, with the matching interest, say that you like snowboarding and you come to Boise and you have no friends over here, then you just go to the app and then do hashtag snowboarding.
I'm working on the sockets and server side stuff.
The project we're doing is a kind of music sequencer app where you can create your own little musical short song and then play it, and then you can collaborate across different devices and play real time. So we just went to this online project name generator and had to generate some names, and that's where Frozen Toothbrush came from, some online name generator.
We're making an app that connects students with other students that they want to sell or trade their used textbooks. Say you're searching for math, you can search, on this app you can search for books based off what class you have, what professor, or just the title of the book or the author. We actually have a really cool logo that one of our teammates, Derek, worked on. It's really cool.
Wow. What is that?
Emulator.
Oh, it works. Okay.
Beautiful.
And they'll both be moving back and forth.
Yeah, and then I guess like the halfway point would be the cutoff line. Like they could just go back and forth.
Okay.
And then, or do you want them to go like simultaneously together? It doesn't come back to that.
What's this harder?
I don't know which one is
And then an enemy will spawn like immediately to your left and just start chasing you, and you have to basically get across that pit before it reaches you, or do something to stop it.
Well, yeah, we wanted simple for two reasons: save our sanity and health. I wanted to sleep this year. Last year I didn't sleep at all, so, and it was tight. And yeah, we feel like some simplicity is also a good design technique. Like it can be even more appealing than complexity in a lot of cases.
So only one person can be editing a specific track is what we call it at one time. So, but you can have as many tracks as you want and multiple people. So one person can be like doing the drum loop and someone else can do the bass line.
It's coming. I'll have to figure out how to put this down on the first line. But,
Yeah, I like the idea.
You're kind of getting an idea, right?
It's in italics and it's smaller and lighter, maybe.
Do they?
Yeah, we can.
Does it pop up every time, or is it like only if you press?
I'll show you.
We have our basic prototype are done. So basically it's for making music with your friends. So you will all pull out your phones or mobile devices, right? You'll connect to a central server. That part is
I think that was a dinner call.
yeah, dinner call. Anyways, you'll all be connected and looking at the same view, and then from there you'll have like a sequencer and a bunch of different instruments that you can play. So you can bring up the sequencer and put up a whole bunch of notes on that to put down like a drum beat or something, or a simple bass line, and then you can bring up each of the instruments and play them by themselves real time, so that you can make some music together.
Not as good as I hope.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Not bad though.
Yeah.
We're getting there.
Cool.
I feel like if I stay up all night, we'll have something to show. Not what I was hoping for though. But yeah.
We just had a lot of ideas that we thought were really cool, but just haven't gotten the chance to get to all of them yet.
There was like a new, like we're using Unity, and we decided to use the new one that came out.
Yeah, the new
less
version,
than a week ago.
Unity 5 came out
And none of us
2
know
days
how to use
ago. There's no documentation anywhere. And we've had to figure out some stuff that's slightly different. And we spent probably at least 6 hours doing stuff that we could have figured out way faster had we not used that new version.
We had a couple problems and we moved past them with help of the devs that are here.
Yeah. Once we can get this database stuff installed, the app would almost be finished.
You're late. Ah, no, I'm kidding. I don't even know. You called one yet, or we did? Oh, 97.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
You guys quitting?
We're done.
We're done.
You're all done completely?
Quitters.
Finishing, and then as soon as we're done with the the app, then we know what we actually got into the app, then we can do the presentation.
Who's going to do the presentation tomorrow?
All of us.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
We're gonna come back tomorrow morning and
And
hash that out, get ready for
That's
it.
what's
Good.
left right now.
What time is that's another issue, guys.
One.
Don't wear dress up.
Don't wear what?
Wear some nice.
I know that. Remember the last time I was
I'm just picking, singling you out. We have a top 15.
A top
for sure.
15? All right,
For sure.
sure.
Yeah, it looks pretty awesome now. I thought I wasn't gonna get to where I am, but it looks pretty good.
We're about there. All right, that's all the raffles. So.
Thank you all for joining us.
So we made a to-do list of priorities, and we only have one more box left. So
That's awesome.
That's really, really good actually. Once we nailed down our database tables and our API calls, we're like motor through it. Put your head down and write
Sure.
some code. So, yeah.
In panic mode? Yeah.
Panic mode?
So last time you visited, the panic button was in its case on the wall. Now we smashed it, and now we're smashing the panic button.
Cruz and the Ozone Puppies tied for third place. Second place, Blue Crew. best overall design was the ozone puppies. And then the grand prize winner, ferocious toothbrush.